Hi again. So it's day 20 of No Packet November, but it's actually day 19 today. I pre-recorded this one because I'm going to be in Brisbane for the day. Now, you may remember on day 19 that I made the raspberry white choc chip muffins. So I've got the same bowl just to show you. You don't need to clean the bowl between each one. And I'm just grabbing a couple of bananas that are fairly ripe, and I put them in there, and I'm going to give them a light mash with a fork. So just get the fork and mash them down. So probably anywhere from 2 to 3 bananas. It's really up to you how banana-y you like it. The banana adds some beautiful natural sweetness, which means you don't need to add sugar to this recipe. However, there are dark choc chips in here, so there's obviously a bit of sugar in there, which is fine, just a small amount. All right, so I've mashed up the bananas, and then basically it's the same as the raspberry white choc chip recipe. It's a really similar sort of formula that I follow. So once again, just tipping in a bit of oil, olive oil. You can also use butter, but I just find that the oil is quick and easy. You don't need to melt it. But sometimes I use butter in them. I do love butter. All right. Some maple syrup again. You don't need too much because the banana's quite sweet. And obviously the choc chips as well. And then now we'll add, oh, and I forgot an egg, hold on. I've got to add an egg. I knew I'd forget something. All right, so in goes the egg. Whisk it round with a fork. And now in goes the yogurt as per last time. So about a cup of Greek yogurt. Just plain Greek yogurt. Just gives it that nice flavour, the sort of bit of sourness that you get from the Greek yogurt, and gives the muffin a beautiful consistency. Alright, so just same again, just mix it around quickly. Alright, so there you go. There are all the wet ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients. So I've got my flour again, so where's my cup? I can do the same thing, 3/4 of a cup of plain wholemeal, approximately, on top, and about 3/4 of a cup of plain white flour. And I'm going to add this time about 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Get my spoon and slowly mix that through. And also, I actually love walnuts, so I really love banana and walnut together, so I'd normally add some chopped up walnuts to the mix shortly as well when I add the choc chips. So, I didn't add baking powder, did I? See, this just goes to show how random I am when I cook. But there we go, we'll just put a bit in now, just so that the muffins do rise a little bit. It's preferable you add it when you do the flour. But this just goes to show, cooking with kids, cooking on your own, no matter what. Don't get too hung up about recipes. Things don't need to be perfect, just go for it. And you know, even if you do make a bit of a mistake, kids normally love to eat it anyway. All right, my helper, could you please add some choc chips? We've got the dark choc chips going in now. Lovely, thank you. Looking good. And then I am gonna pop some walnuts in them. So same again, into a little muffin tray, into the oven. So I've got little love heart shaped ones actually that my kids get a bit embarrassed about having those at school, but anyway. Yeah, so there we go. Simple, into the oven about 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Again, depends on how big the muffin cases are. Simple, as I said, I use the same bowl. You don't need to keep washing between each one. If you want to go into another one and try maybe some apple and walnut or some apple and cinnamon muffins, you could just keep going, or you can make up one big batch and then divide them up into individual flavours. So there's an easy tip for you. So get cooking, enjoy, and avoid all those packaged snacks. Bye.